Here at Weston Volkswagen, we have over 500 used cars available in a range from petrol, electric, diesel, and here's the Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a 2-litre TDI 4Motion R-Line 150 PS. The car's superb, it's got great spec, including silver roof rails, and electric folding door mirrors, lane assist, a dynamic road sign display, and these 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels. Moving on to the boot, it's huge, it's spacious, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 3-zone climate control, heated front seats, and an electric panoramic roof. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Weston Volkswagen Newbridge.